What's up, YouTube? You know who it is. Your brother Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew. Today we have a small tool haul, so stay tuned and let's check it out. So what I got this week was this Bluepoint BLP GSS 1462. What it is a general service kit, 62 piece. It covers a lot of different areas of the 1/4 inch world. That are covered are 14 down to 4mm, not skipping any sizes in the shallow, 5/8 down to 3/16 in the SAE, and then that is mirrored in the deeps as well. Has a selection of bits for the screwdriver. It also has its own socket for the bits. Has a variety of different extensions. I like this flexible extension. I'll be excited to use this. The ratchet that comes with it is toothed very nice. The case itself is of high quality. It comes with 3 different size extensions. You have a 6-inch, a 4-inch, a 3-inch, and a 1.5 inch. The knurling on the actual extensions is pretty nice. You'll be able to grip that pretty well. It does come with one swivel, so that's perfect. So it being this compact size here, this is a very good service kit for anybody going out in the field. You can even keep this in your car and your truck because it has a lot of the majority of the sizes that you would need to work on smaller vehicles, and then it has some bigger, the 14, the 5/8 to get you through with those quick fixes. But I like this because it's all in one kind of unit compared to my. I wish I had my Snap-on one to compare it here with today, but Snap-on one doesn't have quite as many items in it, and this is a nice durable case, and you can just pretty much put it anywhere, and it's not gonna affect. What's up, bros? I hope you enjoyed that tool haul. I really think this is one of those kits that everybody should have. 1/4 inch is really versatile. You guys can tell I shaved off my beard. I usually do it this time of the season. The drier weather kind of affects things, so I like to shave it down and I start growing it back out. Videos, and as always, you know what it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew signing out. Have a great day, bud.